In this chapter, we are learning flowers, how flowers have some parts that are alike and some parts that are different. The parts that are alike are the leaves that are usually in green in color, and the shapes and sizes of the petals, sepals, and stems change according to the variation of the flower. The colors, what is different in the flowers is the colors of the petals is different in the flowers. Notice how the colors of the petals are different and the sizes of the sepals are different in these pictures. Here we are comparing the bears. What is similar in these bears? They all have fur. What is different in these bears? They all have different color furs. Then we did the compare and contrast between the grizzly bear and a panda. Then we asked them question, what is similar and different? The bears both have fur, the fur color is different. Moving on to the new chapter, we are teaching today the composed space or the composed bars with the explanation of what it is. It's a spot on the ground, or you can have a special place for it, or you can just throw it in a earthen pot or something, and you collect all your food scraps and the fall leaves or the fresh grass clippings or the twigs and weeds in the garden or the wooden chips, and you can have it in that one place, and the bacteria, earthworms, or other organisms that live in the soil breaks down the plant materials into nutrients, and this after a few years turns into a soil which is very rich. So after the composed space, we moved on to the new chapter, grouping of living things. First and foremost, we explained what is a living thing, things that grow or things that change, which we call as living things. And the necessities of living things is that air, water, food, they can't live without these things. So this is we asked the students what was this, and we gave an explanation what is a coral. It lives underground. It is excuse my voice because I'm sick today. It is a group of animals. It can be of many different beautiful colors. I'm showing you the picture. This is the beautiful picture of a colorful coral. How can we group living things? We can group the living things according to their size, shape, and color. This was the homework given to the students, asking them what are the living things from these pictures. And this too was the homework given to the students, asking what does a dog need for living thing? Does he need the television? Does he need the water, books? So the correct answer was the water. The recap quiz was conducted in the class where the students were questioned and the answers were blocked up, but now they have been opened up so that it becomes easier for the students to follow. So these are the few small questions that can come up in the quiz as well. In simpler terms, what do you call compare? Compare is something that is similar and contrast is something that is different. How can we group the living things? We can group them according to the color, according to the shape, and according to the sizes.